Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you why you need to mix washing powder with salt. It is very easy to make a cleaning product from these ingredients, because you probably already have everything you need at home. So take a container and pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. You need to use coarse salt. It acts as an abrasive and will allow you to gently clean dirt without damaging the surface. Next, you need to add washing powder to the salt, also about 1 tablespoon. Since it is designed to remove stubborn dirt, it is ideal for cleaning. Washing powder will not only help remove stains and dirt thanks to its cleaning properties, but will also leave behind a pleasant aroma. You also need to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar here. It perfectly removes slime scale and neutralizes unpleasant odors. The next ingredient we need is alcohol. I use 96%. If you don't have alcohol, replace it with vodka. I add 4 tablespoons to the mixture and mix everything a little. Now the mixture just needs to be diluted. I pour 200 milliliters of water in here and stir. To make the finished cleaning product convenient to use, I pour it into a bottle with a dispenser. This cleaning product can easily deal with dirt inside the toilet. Lightly stir the product before applying and distribute it evenly inside the toilet bowl. It is ideal for regular cleaning. It will very easily clean dirt, remove unpleasant odors from the toilet and disinfect it. The product is enough for more than one use, so thanks to the dispenser it is not only convenient to use, but also convenient to store. Leave the product for 10 minutes and then clean the toilet with a toilet brush as usual. If you have urinary calculus or rust in your toilet, then I advise you to get rid of them first. Links to detailed videos will appear in the tooltip and I will leave them in the description. After you clean the toilet from serious dirt, regularly use the cleaning product, the recipe for which I just showed, and your toilet will always be in perfect condition without stains and foreign odors. That's how easy it is, friends, to keep your toilet clean by mixing washing powder with salt. If you liked the advice, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.